why do we conduct surveillance? Okay, so essentially we want to maintain compliant operations, maintain aviation safety. We do that initially through your documented practices and procedures. CASA reviews those documented practices and procedures, finds them acceptable, and you operate in accordance with those. What we tend to find is when people start straying away from these accepted procedures, we lose compliance. And when we lose compliance, we come at risk of an event occurring, some sort of catastrophic event. It might be just administrative non-compliance. Regardless, we need to work with you, and this is what these audits do. So these audits identify where we've slipped away from our compliant operations and we're now becoming at risk of an event occurring, and we want to get that back on track. So the surveillance event is designed to bring you back to a compliant state and identify any areas where you're non-compliant. And it also identifies potential improvements. It identifies perhaps where regulations have changed or the MOS has been amended. We may pick up things like that have slipped through being communicated or being received by you as a chief remote pilot.